Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel, guys. So today we're going to be doing a look from the Natasha Denona Sunrise palette. I know it's an older palette, but I've just been reaching for it all the time. It's definitely one of my favorite palettes for sure. So if you'd like to see how I did this lovely look, guys, please stay tuned. Alright guys, so the first shade I'm going to go into is the shade Morning with a big fluffy brush, friends. I'm going to apply that all over the crease, guys. Alright guys, and when I'm happy with that, I'm going to go into the shade Carnelian with another fluffy brush, clean. It's a little bit smaller than the other one. And I'm just going to go right below Morning, so not as high up. I'm just going to blend into that crease, guys. A little bit above, just not as high as the first color. I just love the shades in this palette, and they blend so easily and they're so pigmented. Absolutely love playing with this palette. Alright, and I'm just going to go back into the first brush with Morning just to blend that out a little bit more. Alright guys, and then going back into that second brush, that smaller blending brush, I'm going to go into the shade Jasper, which is like a darker orange color. And I'm really going to focus that into the crease just above. And don't worry if this gets messy, friends. We're going to be doing a cut crease so we can clean up the lid a little bit later. Alright guys, sorry for the change in lighting. The sun keeps escaping here, hiding behind those clouds. It's a little strange, so I'm just opening up the window, friends. So yes. Alright, then taking a clean, fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend out any harsh edges. And don't mind my other eye, guys. I filmed another video with a different palette. If you'd like to see that video, guys, it's using the Urban Decay Naked Honey palette. Link is in the description box below, friends. Alright, now going into a pointier blending brush, I'm going to grab the color Glory, which is like a pink magenta like color, guys. I'm really going to focus that into the crease, popping above my crease a little bit just so you can see it when we cut the crease. So I'm starting on the outside first. Oh, hello. Alright, going back into that clean blending brush, I'm just going to blend out any harsh edges. Alright, time to cut the crease, friends. I can't tell if you're focused or not. Wow, okay. Alright, so I'm just going to grab a concealer. Alright, I'm just going to place it in that lid space right there, friends. Apply the concealer. And I'm going to grab a rounded brush, like so, guys. I'm just going to carefully and take my time for this part. Go a little bit at a time, friends. Just really cleaning off the lid here, guys, like so. So my gut is to go with one of the brighter colors, gold colors, into my lid, but I really want to use flat Phlox. Yes, Phlox, which is like a bright shimmery red color, which totally reminds me of the Blood Sugar shade from the Blood Sugar palette. So I'm gonna go with that, guys. I'm just gonna go and use my finger first, guys, my fourth finger. just gonna be very careful with this. Ooh. All right, guys. Oh yes, it is so nice, friends, so nice. So I find with my finger, you really get more payoff of the color than when, well, better than when you use a brush, in my personal opinion, for myself. But feel free, you can use a brush too, friends, if you'd like. I'm just going to finish off, clean off the very top edge with the brush. I'm just going to be using a regular eyeshadow brush, guys. It's a little softer. And just to really get the top right before you touch glory. And for the outer third of the eye, that outer V, I'm going to go into the shade Clove just to create more depth in my eye. Alright, and for that lower lash line, guys, I'm going to go into my more dense eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Citrine, that yellow shade in the palette, and I'm just going to go right in the lower lash line. Okay, then I'm going to go into the shade Carnelian with the same brush, just right on top. And then I'm going to focus Jasper on the outer corner, connecting it to the top. Alright, and with a more detailed brush, I'm going to go into the shade Agate for the inner corner. Alright, and that is it for the eyeshadow, guys. I'm just going to apply some liner, mascara, and lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright, guys, and that is the finished makeup look. I absolutely love the colors in this palette. They're so much fun, and my eyes look like a sunrise. Okay. I'm glad I went with the red, because usually I would definitely go with the lighter colors in the palette for the lid. But yes. And that is it for today, guys. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you like this video, please let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see this eye, link for this video is in the description box below as well, guys. Okay, remember, you'll never succeed if you're afraid to try. Bye, guys.